Assalamualaikum friends, here is photo frame mockup. Total file is 4, and for Photoshop CS and CC plus user, these are protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store and write Sheri escape by now for lifetime. Okay, double click here, adjustment, design page, background color, double click on background color. Okay, and next is frame color, red or white. Here is okay. And frame color 2, black, and here is base. Okay, finally is design page. Double click here, and we need a photo for our frame. Open, dark background. Here is a okay, drag here. Oh, we need high definition photo, but I use this one. Enter Control S for saving. 7583. Oh, updating smart object, please wait. Okay, close it, and you see our photo in frame. More adjustment, click or extract this layer. You see okay, so you can apply your own photo. No, and same thing is here. Double click, we need a photo. Simply need high definition photo like this one. Enter Control S. You see our photo in frame. So you can do one by one. I hope these are useful for you, and buy now this app for passwords. Allah Hafiz.